Welcome to a rare opportunity for a gorgeous single-level home on the beautiful northern Oregon coast. Situated on 0.85 acres, it's close to the beach and golf courses. It also includes a huge garage and an additional detached dream shop. An inviting curved driveway leads you to the covered entry. Discover an open concept interior with tons of natural light throughout and a vaulted beam ceiling. French doors open to a covered deck, perfect for relaxing. Walls of windows frame the light and bright dining room. The chef's kitchen is beautifully appointed with a cooktop island, elegant lighting, gorgeous granite, double ovens, and a walk-in pantry. Perfect for social gatherings, it opens to the family room. You'll enjoy a spacious, vaulted master suite with 2 walk-in closets. French doors open to your private hot tub. The master bath features a dual-sink vanity, a luxurious tub, and a large shower. You'll find 2 more bedrooms in this home of more than 2,600 square feet, plus another full bath. Just above the huge 4-car garage, you'll find an additional large bonus space. Your back deck offers wonderful privacy, surrounded by the sights and sounds of nature. You have plenty of room for your garden and a greenhouse. The huge detached shop is ready for any number of uses. And you'll find expansive covered parking and storage areas. Living here, you'll love the location, ideal for beachcombing, hiking, fishing, viewing wildlife, and touring historical sites. A special home and property in a fantastic location. It's all here ready for you to call home. For more information or for your own personal tour, please contact Michael Davis with Premier Property Group at 503-440-2747.